Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the GeForce NOW error code 0x80320013. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch a game through GeForce NOW, but instead of loading, they get stuck on the screen and eventually receive this error. According to our research, this could be a temporary issue with GeForce NOW itself or a problem with the GeForce NOW app. To troubleshoot the error, our first recommendation will be to restart your device and try launching the game again. If the error still comes, then check if your GeForce NOW app is up to date. If you are using an outdated version, update it and check for the error. In case the app is already updated but the error still persists, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the GeForce NOW app. If you are still experiencing the error after reinstalling the app, then check whether the issue is coming with all the games or just one specific game. If you are unable to play any game at all, then it is likely that GeForce NOW is experiencing some issues on its end. To confirm this, visit status.geforcenow.com and check if there are any ongoing problems with the servers. At last, if you tried everything but the error still persists, then we suggest waiting for a few hours and trying again. In case the error continues even after waiting, then reach out to GeForce NOW support to report the issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.